Then there is the new topic of agentic AI that goes in your code base and do all the magic in one click when you are sleeping during the night. And this starts to become a real pain for a lot of organizations because the complexity of the code base is so huge that without the proper scaffolding that tells the agent, hey buddy, your scope of intervention is only this small piece that reduce a lot the hallucination of AI, the code base is more than enhanced, destroyed. And we have many customers that they face this drama and they had to roll back all the stuff the agent did. And what came out is that indeed the problem is hallucination due to larger scope of problem instead of a small one. I guess it's the same issue that you have on your products with all the information that are inside these documents. When you enhance your platform with AI, the risk of hallucination is very high if you are not able to instruct the AI in the proper way, isn't it?
Yes, it's and I don't know if there's an easy solution to that problem. The issue is that it's the compounding of errors, right? If you have an agent that has to do multiple rounds of thinking, each round of thinking 5% of error, it compounds very quickly to a very high error rate. But you don't need that kind of totally autonomous agents to get productivity in document management. What we apply, but we see it very effective in our business of helping customers manage their critical documents, is very simple things. You have most of our customers do manually all of the tasks. We have customers who receive hundreds of thousands of documents per day through an email address, and they just have to assign it to the right person. So basic categorization, recognizing that this PDF is in fact 3 documents that are stuck together and you have to split it in 3 pieces. And then this part is a letter, this part is a certificate, and this part is a scan of a passport. Basic things, that already save a lot of time. On these simple tasks, AI is extremely effective. You get 99+% of accuracy and you're fine. And even if the most important thing we do in AI processing of documents is not so much the accuracy of the result, is the accuracy of the confidence score. If your AI is able to say, this is the information I have high confidence, or on the contrary, this is information I have medium confidence, then you can send the medium confidence to a human to review. Customers don't mind having a small percentage of documents that have to be reviewed. What matters is to be able to detect the documents on which you have a doubt and send it to humans. So, but the stake right now, even if the hype is about autonomous agents and, like fantasy and science fiction stuff, the real business value is still on basic things. We're talking to an insurance company, their risk management agents, the people who detect fraud, they can process 2 or 3 cases per day. Why? Because each case is a lot of complex documents. They have to review everything. They have to read everything thoroughly, decide whether they involve an expert or not. All of this work can be dramatically accelerated just by giving the agent a summary of the files, sorting the files in the right order so that they can read them faster, or generating the letter that you send to the expert to ask their help on this or that case. Now, if this agent can do 4 cases per day instead of 2 or 3, it's a gigantic productivity gains for the company, and it doesn't involve any science fiction stuff. It's just using the basic document management things like summarizing the document, translating the document, extracting the information to populate the form automatically. Those things can be done with very high accuracy without needing the futuristic agents. It's just AI applied right at the right place with the right safeguards that we build in our system. So this is what we're
And this is what
as opposed to, science fiction stuff.